Dentistry now in my career is probably the most exciting time. I get the chance every day to recreate things that have been lost. Hey Fred, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
In providing service to the patients, you're most excited when you see problems and you go, I can fix that. I can solve that problem. I can make that problem go away.
Dr. Shoemaker actually connects with his patients on a personal level, because he gets to know who they are and their lifestyle. So he is able to address the concerns that you have and how it's going to improve your life or how it's going to be better for you going forward.
I was a walk-in, and his staff they just treated me like I was important. When they're taking interest, they say, how can we help you? How can we be of help to you? Have we helped you before? Have you been a patient before? Just when they look at you and they don't look away, and they're not looking at their papers, their books, or their computer, they're looking at you and they're addressing you, that goes a long way. It goes a long way to see how you respond. And my response was in kind. It sparked my interest.
My mission goal really simply is to recreate that which has been lost. It's more than just giving people some teeth. These are life-changing events when you can restore a part of that body back to how it was meant to be.
Yeah, based on the experience that I've had with Dr. Shoemaker and his staff, I'd highly recommend them to anyone that needs the same type of procedure that I've had. The cost of doing it is nothing compared to the benefit, as far as I'm concerned, of the outcome.
With the use of implants, I can solve more problems easily than I could ever have hoped to 20 or 30 years ago.
A smile means everything. That's the first thing that we see in the morning, and maybe the last thing you see in the evening. And it lets you know where you stand. It lets you express love and gratitude to someone else. The smile, I think a smile is everything.